Hello, good evening all. Welcome to Super Tutor. On Super Tutor, today we are welcoming mathematics teacher Nikita Chaudhary. She is from Kolkata and she has 9 years of experience. She has a vast experience of teaching mathematics to students. I think I can say more than 500 students personally. She is teaching in multiple centers. She has centers in Alipur, Salt Lake, and other areas of Kolkata also. So welcome her on the platform. Welcome Nikita ma'am. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And I will share my screen for showing the demo. So I am showing a demo how a student will find you on Super Tutor. So
Yes, sir.
this is a Super Tutor platform. The spelling is SUPR Tutor. It's intentionally done Super Tutor like this. And I have logged in as a student here. So when a student logs in, the dashboard will look like this, and student has to create his own student profile here, like this. I have given all the videos how to create your own profile, so you can check how to register as a student, how to register as a teacher, institute. All these options are available in this video and you can check. And after doing that, click on this visit site. And when you come to this visit site, there is an option of searching teacher with in respect to subject, board, location, mode of teaching, fees. So these are the subjects available here. And I'm clicking mathematics here. Suppose it's a mathematics for CBSE, ICSE, all boards are all options are there. I'm keeping it blank so that all the teachers are available will be shown. And when I click location, suppose I click on location Kolkata, so Kolkata as a whole will be there. All Kolkata teacher will be listed. And if I click Kolkata Alipur, the only Kolkata Alipur location teacher will be available. It means for physical coaching, for offline coaching, you can search your teacher with the addresses, your address itself, so that you're at nearby, 5 kilometers nearby to your address, you to find the teachers. And mode is online offline mode. Both the modes are available, but I'm keeping it all. And fee structure, teachers fees bracket from 0 to 500, 500 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, like that. So you can choose that. And when I'm clicking search now, you're finding all the teachers listed here. Okay. So suppose I have listed my name for testing purpose here. So I am not a maths teacher. My profile is visible. And suppose a student wants to connect Naresh Agarwal. So he has to click on detailed view. In the detailed view, you will find what are the subjects Naresh Agarwal is teaching. Mathematics, what is education qualification, chartered accountant, what is the fees, 10,000 to 50,000 per hour, and what is the brief data, like this. And a student wants to connect, then a student can connect through contact Naresh Agarwal. And when you click on contact Naresh Agarwal, you can write a small message like this: sir, please call me at, like this, and send. When you send this message as a student will, you will receive an email, and a teacher will also receive an email like this. So both the party will receive this data: student's name, student's email ID and phone number, teacher's name, email ID and phone number, and that brief message: sir, please call me at this number. So both the parties have received this number and they can communicate with each other over email, over phone. And when the student connects, teacher can give demo class, teacher can discuss about the fee structure, and they can start teaching. As this is an online platform, I would request teachers to take the fees in advance. We are not taking anything, any commission, any brokerage from the fees collected. The total fees goes to the teacher itself. So this platform is free for students and institutes. Institute and schools can find teachers here for job also, and it is free for them. Only the teacher is paying as a subscription fees here. For teacher, the subscription fees is 300 rupees for 3 months, 500 rupees for 6 months, and 900 rupees for 12 months. So this is the way the platform is working. And now we will discuss. I'm stopping my screen now, and we will discuss with ma'am. Nikita ma'am, can you share your teaching journey, your 9 years of teaching journey?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. So, I'm born and brought up in Calcutta, and I did my bachelor's from St. Xavier's and master's in economics from Bombay. And then I was working with as a risk analyst with HSBC. And then I realized that no, I want to take up teaching as a profession. So, in December 2012, I cleared my NET, that is University Grants Commission National
Mm-hmm.
Eligibility Test, and then
Good.
I became a professor in JD Birla in 2013. I was working with JD Birla up till 2019 in the
Mm-hmm.
BPA department as a mathematics teacher for 6 years.
Okay.
After that, I thought that I should definitely start something of my own. So this is when the idea struck me that let me just start my offline online classes. So in 2019, I've started. So now I have students all over Calcutta from MBG, SBG, LSA, Heritage, LMB, LMG, St. Xavier's, and one or more two schools. Like I have, and I teach from class 6 to class 12. And I
Okay.
also train for entrance exams, but that is with different institutes. So this is as far as my teaching career is going, sir.
That's great. You have a great experience, and I think all the students are getting good marks from you. Can you share any special success story? Suppose
So I
a
have
student like me has come who is getting zero in the schools,
no.
and after getting your tuition, getting 100 or 90 or 30, 70, whatever.
Okay, so I have had never a student who has got zero in maths. I've
Okay.
got student who was a failure, and then
Okay.
he joined me and he got like a 50%. So that was a great jump for him
Good. Good.
and on his own. And this was I'm talking in an offline mode, which is very
Hmm.
important. And then from 50 he jumped to 65, and then
Okay.
he finally made it to 77. So today he is like doing very good, and he's in maths and he's getting 85, 90%. He's got 91s, but he's getting 85. So that's a very satisfactory. His name is Pratyush, and he's from LMD. He's in class 8 right now. So he's like the best, right? As far as the best example I've got, because he was literally a failure.
Good.
And I have had so many more examples. I will guarantee an improvement in maths for your child. Like it's like that. If it's an 80%, I will get it to 90%, but you'll have to give me 6 months.
Yeah, most of the parents are worried about the numbers in science and maths, and it is so much needed, and that's good. And do you have any suggestions for changing a mindset for of a student for a success mindset from
Okay.
failure to success? What are your suggestions?
I have this one thing about every student I say. It's about the student that a minimum of post graduation degree you should think of. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आपको MBA करना है, आपको CA, CFA, CS करना है. No, but whatever your field it is, it can be a master's in finance, it can be a master's in fashion management, it can be a master's in the culinary course from some Michelin star restaurant in France. So I'm not saying कि आपको MBA करना है, बट आपको एक मास्टर्स की डिग्री जरूर होनी चाहिए इन द एरिया ऑफ योर इंटरेस्ट, because then it is no longer work for you, then it's no longer study for you, it's your what you like you're pursuing, so you'll do great at it. To succeed you need it. So you don't think, oh, I'm to graduate. It's nothing. Graduation is everybody's a graduate, so you have to keep your mindset like that. So that is what I would like to say. And it's a
Good.
game changer. So it's a
Yeah,
game
it's a game
changer.
changer. Yeah.
And a master's degree from the best institute. A B grade college से MBA करके निकलोगे, that's not great. But you have in your area of interest.
Good. And what are the challenges currently students are facing due to this online mode of teaching, and all parents are worried because class 6 to 10 students, these are young students, and sticking to 6 to 8 hours to the screen, and their eyes are also getting paining and all. So what is your suggestions to them actually?
So, sir, I will suggest that when they are coming for an online class, they should at least have had a break of half an hour before sitting for the online class, number one. Secondly, because this online mode is also there and many students don't find it that convenient, I have offline centers across Calcutta. That is one of the primary reasons I've opened it. But, sir, I will disagree. If the student's will is there to study, online mode is as equally good as an offline mode. In fact, they save on transportation.
Yes, transportation time,
which is
2 hours of
factor.
transportation time is saved in each and every classes.
Exactly. So that is why I suggest, and then they can watch 6 hours of Netflix. I mean, I'm saying less. I think 6 hours of Netflix in a week is definitely less. They're watching 6 hours of Netflix maybe in 3 days. So come on. So let's cut down on that and let's concentrate on this.
Good. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for coming on Super Tutor. You are registered on Super Tutor. Can you share your locations of your offline tuitions class so that my students and that parents community can know about your locations?
So one location is near City Center in Salt Lake.
What is the block number and all?
Sir, it's B for Bombay, C for Calcutta, BC 164.
Okay.
And one is in Sarad Bose Road, right on top of Flavors, which is the first floor.
Okay.
Flavors is pretty popular among all Calcuttans.
Yeah.
And so the third one is at my place in New Aleppo, which is Block E. Yes, sir, these are the 3 centers which are running right now. Okay, ma'am. Hope you will get more and more students from Super Tutor. Hope, fingers crossed. And you will get more students on online mode and offline mode both. So this is me taking a class for one of the institutes. Okay. So this is audio not coming. Okay. Can you share with audio? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just share it again. Okay. Stop share, share screen, share sound, and that's the video. So this is my video. Yeah. I'm teaching parabola. Parabolas can be like this. The parabola can be like this. Anything. When it is less than 0, then the parabolas can be something like this. Right? This is your x and this is your y. Or the parabola can be something like this. This is me teaching again. Them doing the sums. Okay. This is them copying again. So this is how it goes. You are using a whiteboard on Google Meet? Everybody clear? Swarnima, Saksham? Yes, sir. I use a virtual whiteboard. 1, minus 9, 0, minus 8, minus 2, 0, 4, 0. Check. This is the point at which the line of symmetry cutting the x-axis is the midpoint of minus 2 and 4, 0. One, 2, 3, 4. So you have the equation y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So you take 2 common. So this is it. So this is like a class which I had recorded in some late back. I don't remember when. But no issues. That's good. And any other video you want to share, or this is good enough, sir. Okay. Thank you. You can keep a demo class whenever you want. Yeah, I will plan another meeting for you for Facebook Live also. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, sir.